Welcome back, guys. In this next section, I'll be teaching you guys how to trade with support and resistance, how to trade the breakout and confirmation, and how to trade in support and resistance range. Now, this is our resistance. First thing you need to do is to identify your resistance level and your support level. You need to mark them out properly. You need to mark your resistance and support out properly. Now let me explain this. Support and resistance in a range. Now let's see you are in a room, a locked room, and you have a bouncing ball. If you bounce the ball to the floor, it is going to bounce up to the ceiling. It's going to reject the ball back to the floor. The floor will reject it back to the ceiling. Now, that's a simple concept of support and resistance in a range. I explained something about a ranging market. A ranging market is a market that doesn't have a direction, a consolidation part of the market. It will be moving sideways. No direction, either it's going up or down. It will be moving sideways. And look at this, we have this low, we have this high. We have this low, we have this high, we have this low. Now, there's something I want you to understand about this support and resistance. You need to understand market structure. You need to understand market structure. Now, in an uptrend, we have a structure like this, labeled. This high is known as higher high. It is known as higher high. It is known as higher high. Why this low is known as higher low? Now, why do we call this higher high? Sorry, this higher high and this higher low. Now, looking at this structure, this is an uptrend market. An uptrend market. A bullish market. A bullish market. Now, this high is higher than this. This high is higher than this. Why this high is higher than this? It is like you climbing a staircase to the upside. You are going upward. You are climbing a staircase upward. And this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. Now we have this as our words. Higher low, higher low. A resistance is support. A resistance is support. Resistance, the highest high support, the lowest low support. Continuously. Now in a downtrend, we have this. We have this in a downtrend. We have lower high and lower low. As you can see, this is trading to the downside of the part. of the market. It is trending downside, which indicates a bearish trend. A bearish trend. Bears are in the market. Now, looking at this, we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This high is lower than this. This high is lower than this. This low is lower than this low. This low is lower than this low. This low is lower than this low. This is a downtrend market. And now, in a sideways market, in a consolidation part of the market, we only have highs. Highs. Oh, sorry. The highs and the lows. We have the lows. Now, why did I call this higher high and this as higher low, or this as lower high and this as lower low? Now, this is a sideways market. It is a ranging part of the market. It is not trending. As long as it is trending, but I've categorized it as lower low or higher high, etc. But this is just a single high with no direction, a low with no direction. It is consolidating in a channel. So we have highs, we have lows, we have highs, we have lows, we have high, we have lows, highs and lows. Now looking at these parts, this is sideways market. We have high, we have low, we have high, we have low. Now if you want to trade this, let's say you analyze on any time frame of yours that suits your analysis. Now this is from 50-minute time frame. You can literally move to 1 minute or 3 minutes for a confirmation using candlesticks language. Then immediately you see your entry, you can sell from the resistance to the support. Then if price goes to the support and give you a confirmation, here we have a confirmation. From this support level, we have this bullish engulfing. I'm sorry, please, let me change this for now. We have a bullish engulfing. Now this has given us a confirmation of buying to the nearest resistance zone. To the nearest resistance zone, we have a confirmation. A confirmation has been given for a sell. You sell to the next support. Now from this support, we have another confirmation, which is this hammer known as pin bar. That's giving another confirmation of buying to the support. Now in a trading range, in a trading range, in a consolidation part of the support and what resistance, there's a way you trade this. It is very risky, but when you understand your structure and you have a patience of waiting for confirmation, you can trade it. Now whenever you have a break of resistance, don't forget, in the other video I told you a resistance, that price break any resistance or any support, the price passes above it, the resistance will turn to support, while the support will turn to resistance. Now looking at this resistance zone, we have a break, price passes above it. Now we need a confirmation to buy. It is not just that immediately price break the support, you look for a buy, then start going. No, you need to wait patiently for your retest. This might be a fake breakout, but if you wait for your retest and a confirmation, then you can take your trade. Now looking at this, we have this resistance, then turn to support, and price break this support, turn it to resistance. So this area, price came back to retest and give a confirmation. The confirmation is this candle. Firstly, we have this hammer, we have this pin bar, and we have an engulfing candle. It has indicated that bulls are taking charge of this market. Then you target the next resistance zone. Now you can buy after you get your confirmation. Then your stop loss should be at the back of your confirmation. Then you target the next resistance zone. Now this has turned to a support. This resistance has turned to a support, and this resistance also, we need to mark it. If price passes above it, it has turned to what? It will turn to support. Now price break this resistance and actually retrace back to this resistance zone. Now there's a confirmation here, which is this engulfing candle. Now you can buy from this engulfing candle. The stop loss at the back and target the same resistance level, this high. Now we have another resistance. Don't forget we have another support. We have another support. And price has been creating many rejection at this zone. I told you something about a strong zone. If price failed to break the zone, it indicated that that zone is a very strong zone. Now look at this support. Price came back here, reject, and look at this resistance. Price came back here, reject, move to the what? Resistance. Give a confirmation for a sell, back to the support. Give a confirmation for a buy, back to the resistance. Give a confirmation for a sell, back to the support. But eventually we have a break of this support, which indicated that we have a break of the support, and now we have a direction to the downside. Bearish market. Now we need a what? A confirmation to sell. Now where will we be targeting? The next resistance zone. Now we need a confirmation, a breakout, and a retest. A breakout and the retest. Now this retest is where we sell from. We don't sell. We don't sell immediately. Price break a resistance or a support. We sell when we have a retest and we have a confirmation. A confirmation has been given here. Price retested the support zone and gave a confirmation, which is this pin candle, this hammer, this inverted hammer, this inverted hammer. Now this has given us a confirmation around this support zone and engulfing pattern. Now we sell immediately. We have this confirmation and our stop loss at the back. Then we target the next support zone. Now this support has turned to resistance. We have the resistance right here. We have the resistance right here. And we target the next support. Now looking at this support, price reacted to the support, reject. Don't forget we have this resistance also. Don't forget we have this resistance. So that is how you go about you trading in a range and trading a breakout. Whenever you have a breakout, you wait for a confirmation, candlesticks information, candlesticks language, and target the next support or the next resistance. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next videos.